wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to a special episode if you like boating in Florida, because today we're going on the big boys. Yep, we got invited to go as a special guest in a yacht party here in Miami, and all you really have to tell me that it's gonna be a party on the water, and I'm definitely gonna say yes. So we headed out, and also Cito and Carlos are coming along because they are actually doing a special video for the yachts. Me, I'm just filming another day in my life, and I'm taking you guys along for the ride. And right now we just arrived at Miami Beach Marina, where we're gonna head over to the yachts, where the party I think already started.
Welcome, my brother.
What's up, champ?
Good. Take off.
Bro,
Welcome to my office.
bro, that's
It's the mobile studio.
mobile studio.
You already know.
Let me see the pimp cup.
Woo! Got a pimp cup.
Boom.
Mo wet, because that's exactly what they're going to be.
Hey,
Mo wet.
let's get it, baby.
But it just sounds good.
Joe, pelúcala.
Pelúcala.
You know about it?
Where are you from? Hello.
I think I follow you on YouTube.
Oh, thank you.
You and your wife go out to like book a bash and
Yeah.
yeah, I follow you.
She's the guest of honor. This is Fresco from Fresco Channel.
How you doing?
Well, how cool is this? I guess we're going along for the ride with the bridesmaids, and also Cito and Carlos are getting their cameras ready for the show.
You just spoke with this guy.
Hi, how are you?
This which down right here? This down?
Yeah.
To control your money.
Well, congratulations. Congratulations.
Hey.
That's a beautiful thing. That's a lo mejor. Hello, ladies. ¿Cómo andan?
A ver. You guys already did the cheers over there, right?
We can do it again.
There you go. Ready, cheers. Oh, wait. She wasn't ready. Ready for the cheers? Hide the vape. Let's go.
Remix.
Well, guys, this is gonna be an interesting video to edit because all the music being played in the background. So I'm gonna have to mute it, play my own music, and take you guys for a talking ride. And right now we're inside a 62-foot Azimuth, and check out the bar that the bartender is gonna show us a trick in preparing the drink. Well, the bartender was trying to show me some cool tricks, but I was more interested in the food. Well, guys, if you thought that we were just gonna sit in the docks in the boats, nope, we're actually taking off and going for a cruise through the beautiful Miami waters. And we're cruising through yacht heaven, like you can see. here it is, another beautiful yacht, a 92-footer that he also is coming along for the ride with us. And we're gonna get a special tour, but later on. And if I remember correctly, there's supposed to be 6 boats coming along for the ride today.
Yo, Fresco, you always say, what time is it? And this is my version of that. You know what time it is. It's Moet time! Hey.
Yep, typical Miami sky and typical Miami weather. 1 minute is beautiful and within 2 seconds it turns into a bad storm. Well, so far it looks like it's coming, but it hasn't started to rain yet. And right now we're heading over to downtown Miami, but passing by Port of Miami. And here's another boat coming along for the ride, a beautiful Fairline. And I think this is pretty funny for those people that really pay attention, that follow me on Instagram, because I posted a few of these clips on Instagram like 2 weeks ago. So I received a few DMs asking me when was I gonna put the video on YouTube. And this here reminds me when I used to be younger and I used to ride bike around the neighborhoods with my friends and everybody used to throw behind. But this time we're much older and much more expensive. And here we have another friend with another beautiful boat coming along for the ride. And we have another one joining us, a nice Seabray fly bridge. Well, I guess she's really enjoying the ride, but right now we're gonna head over to Biscayne Bay and anchor down and wrap up for a late afternoon hangout. Well guys, check this out, all the big boys hanging out, even though the sky is still threatening us, but no rain yet, just heavy winds. Well, this is what you call hanging out with your boating buddies, but to the next level. And so far, this has been an awesome ride and experience.
You almost made it.
Almost got it.
You almost made it. Don't fall.
Extra sleeper with the socks.
Yo, so look, we're at the Pure Energy right now. You feeling the energy?
Yeah, man.
Ah, in the water. Just kidding. So we're here hanging out with our buddy George. He owns a Miami yacht rental, and we got his fleet out. You can see, we got Victoria, which is the name of the boat. Pure Energy. Is that the Sunseeker? I think so. So we got the Sunseeker, then we got the Regional, I don't even know the names. Then we got the Von Dutch over there. We're rocking out. How you feeling?
Feeling excited.
Well guys, life is going to teach you many lessons and give you many surprises, because when I woke up today, I never thought I would be here hanging out with $1 million boats and partying in the middle of the water. Well, that was interesting, and I'm curious, why did the bartender burn the pineapple? And I really forgot to ask him. Do you guys know why? If you do, please let me know in the comments. Because if I remember correctly, he also burnt a grapefruit. So I'm wondering, why does he do that? Well, as you can see, everybody's enjoying themselves inside the boat and outside the boat. everyone's having a great time in and out. And I'm also having a great time because this is something that you don't do every day. But don't get me wrong, I could do this every day, wouldn't you? And just when you thought the party was over, nope, it keeps going. But that's gonna be tomorrow, so make sure to tune in and catch us cruising through the world famous Miami River, where we got to see beautiful downtown Miami lit up at night, but from the water. So you definitely don't want to miss it. And something you definitely don't want to miss is the special tour we got from this beautiful 92-foot Persian yacht. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 because I sure did. It's not every day that you get to hang out with these beautiful big boys out on the water.